Hello friends, today I am going to make classic cupcakes. There is nothing more comfortable than freshly baked cupcakes, soft, buttery and perfectly sweet. These classic cupcakes are ideal for tea time or any special occasion. Follow this simple recipe to create an fluffy cupcakes with delicious vanilla flavor. Today I'm going to make these cupcakes. It's so delicious and good for the tea time. So let's see the ingredients. 150 grams of cake flour, 150 grams of flour, cake flour, 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of sugar and 3 eggs, some baking soda and vanilla essence. So let's make. Put the butter and the sugar to a bowl. First you mix the butter with the spatula. Once the butter is mixed with sugar, then mix it very well. Now you add 1 by 1 egg. Now mix very well. Add some vanilla. Vanilla extract. About 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Then add some baking soda. About 3 grams. Little by little add the flour. Preheat the oven for 170 Celsius. Put rest of the flour. Now when you are mixing the flour batter, you have to put some air, so I'm just folding the now the batter is done. So let's put the let's pour to the cups. It will be good if you put 2 cups for each. Cups. So now we put the batter into the cake cups. Give a little pat it's time to put the cake in the oven. For 20 minutes, 170 degrees, 20 minutes. So let's make some tea to eat with the cake. Till the tea brew for about 3 minutes. Leave the tea. So friends, after 3 minutes I am pouring the tea into the cup. Once the cake is made, we can have the tea with the cake. These cakes are so soft, flavorful and easy to prepare, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. Enjoy baking and sharing this delightful treat. So I have already baked the cupcake. It's look like this, and with a cup of tea. Hope you enjoy the content. See you in another content. Thanks for watching.